you. Do you think positive thinking can change a person's life? Why or why not?
Positive thinking. Yeah, ma'am, definitely
Yes.
can change. Like nowadays, like I think it is necessary. We should be live positively. So, like if we have positive mindset, so like first of all, our body on it will impact our body. Like we started, if we started thinking positively, we started gaining energy. We can sleep properly, and we can creative our mind. We can think a little different type of things. And if we are creating negative mind, so we can't do anything because like every time we will think about negative thing, our mind is started is stopping, like our mind will not work. And like we
Yeah.
can take good decision also. Like if we have positive mindset, we can take a good decision, and we can go ahead in our life also. So it like if we take stress, our cortisol hormone it will be decreased. And so hormones also it would be imbalance. So we should think in a
Yeah.
positive manner. So it would be impact on body. And if we are talking about environment, so our like if we are living with the joint family, so definitely it will impact on our family also. Because like if we are interacting with our family member, so they if we will feel irritate ourselves, we will not talk in a good manner with them. So they will not talk to us. Firstly, they will think she's negative, she's not talk every time she talk like a negative manner. So we should not talk to her. So and they will not help to us also. And we can't do anything related to our work. Only we will live with the creative mind. And if we want to remove our negativity mind, so we should go for exercise and walk. This type of thing we can do. And sometimes it's happen like most of the people we see in our environment, they are speaking any line, but they will not speak in a positive manner. They will speak in a negative manner. I have noticed also this type of person. So this line we can like hello, hi, how are you, ma'am?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking. And first of all, ma'am, please don't call me ma'am. Please take my name, Shivani.
Okay, don't worry. So, Sivani, first of all, I would like to say thank you for joining me. And before dive into the session, we should know about each other. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me and thank you for your time. And I'm really excited to have a conversation with you.
Okay.
So, as you know, my name is Shivani. I am basically from Himachal Pradesh and currently based in Delhi. I am working in private sector. I have completed my graduation and also have a diploma in electronics mechanic. Nowadays, I'm working on myself, on my communication skills. So, yeah, that's little about me. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so
It is lovely introduction. And another thing, like you have a lots of thing in your plate. So it is the nice. You are doing lots of things. So nice to hear you. I should tell about myself also. Okay.
yes, yes, ma'am. Sure, sure.
After then we will do conversation. Okay. So my name is Mamta Maut. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After then, I have also completed my B.Ed degree and qualified CTET degree also. And I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And nowadays I am improving my communication skill because I was thinking I should go for like I should become a mentor. So that's why I decided. And my if we talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies is spending time of the family member with the family members, and sometimes playing some games, badminton, carom, like this. And I love to dance. So and I'm running YouTube channel also. You can see, and this is name like Mamta's Mighty. So that's it all about me.
Yeah, I'm following you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, and it is a great introduction.
Thank
Thank you.
oh, like you told me, like I belong to Himachal Pradesh. So please tell me about little bit Himachal Pradesh. I'm curious to know about Himachal Pradesh because I didn't visit it and I want to know. So please tell me.
Okay, so actually, Himachal is a very beautiful place to live, and as you know, it is called Devbhumi to Himachal. And yeah, there are lots of temples of devis and goddesses and gods. And I think it is a very peaceful area to live there. It's a kind of means fresh air without pollution. You can survive there easily, and it kind of a fresh environment in the Himachal. As I'm living in Delhi, so as comparative to Delhi,
I can understand.
Himachal is
Delhi is totally like available pollution, and
polluted.
yeah, and you are saying like
Yes,
Himachal Pradesh, it is the like pollution free area. Okay,
yeah,
so both are
yeah, ma'am.
opposites to each other. Okay, so
Yeah, and many places are very famous like Kullu, Shimla, Dharamshala. So you can visit over there. And but nowadays it is a very crowded areas because all all people going there because they thought like if we are living in North India, then it is near to us to go Himachal. So then they think if we go, then we will relax and will take some kind of fresh freshen up and but yeah, it is nowadays it is crowded, so I can say. But yeah, if you go in local areas like small villages, small areas, so then it could be very peaceful for you to visit. Yeah, that's all about Himachal.
okay, it's nice one. Like most of the time we think like we want to visit this type of areas. There it would be peaceful environment, little bit greenery, and so mountain. So this type of thing we like the most. Okay, so nice to hear you, ma'am. And another thing, like how have I want to ask you, like how long have you been in Delhi, and why are you staying there?
Actually, it's been I came Delhi 2014, I think. Yeah, so it is more than 10 years, and we are here because of earning, because of our job. So as
Okay,
I'm working, so that's why I'm living here.
okay, nice, ma'am. So may I ask you which type of job are you doing?
Which job?
Yeah, which type of like
Yeah,
in a company,
actually yeah, actually I'm in insurance broking industry.
insurance
Yeah,
company,
broking industry.
broken industry,
Broker.
broker industry.
Broker. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so would you like to elaborate little bit because I didn't have any idea. I don't have any idea.
Okay, so I'm telling you what I do. Actually, we have to handle corporate policies like it's a mediclaim policies, life policies, and personal accidental group accidental policies. So we coordinate with the HR team, employees, our vendors like insurance company, TPA, and all. So these kind of work and also working on Excel, so on data. So yeah, so these kind of work I'm doing here. So yeah,
Okay, ma'am, you are doing good job. So
yeah,
nice. And would you like to ask me something like from my side? So you can ask.
yeah. Have you worked there ever?
No, ma'am, I don't do.
Okay, no, ever
I
you didn't work.
yeah, I don't. I'm not doing anything.
Okay. So okay, so we can start our conversation with the question.
Okay, ma'am. Whatever you want to ask me, you can do. If you have any topics, you
Okay.
can ask any. You can go for any topic.
Yeah, I have prepared the question. So okay, so we can discuss with that. And yeah, so I'm asking you, do you think positive thinking can change a person's life? Why or why not?
Positive thinking. Yeah, ma'am. Definitely
Yes.
can change. Like nowadays, like I think it is necessary. We should be live positively. So, like if we have positive mindset, so like first of all, our body on it will impact our body. Like if we started thinking positively, we started gaining energy. We can sleep properly, and we can creative our mind. We can think a little different type of things. And if we are creating negative mind, so we can't do anything because like every time we will think about negative thing, our mind is started stopping. Like our mind will not work. and we
Yeah.
can take good decision also. Like if we have positive mindset, we can take a good decision, and we can go ahead in our life also. So it if we take stress, our cortisol hormone it will be decreased, and so hormones also it would be in balance. So we should think in a
Yeah.
positive manner. So it would be impact on body. And if we are talking about environment, so our like if we are living with the joint family, so definitely it will impact on our family also, because if we are interacting with our family member, so they if we will feel irritated ourselves, we will not talk in a good manner with them, so they will not talk to us. Firstly, they will think she's negative, she's not talk every time she talk like a negative manner, so we should not talk to her. So and they will not help to us also, and we can't do anything related to our work. Only we will live with the creative mind. And if we want to remove our negativity mind, so we should go for exercise and walk. This type of thing we can do. And sometimes it's happen most of the people we see in our environment, they are speaking any line, but they will not speak in a positive manner, they will speak in a negative manner. I have noticed also this type of person. So this line we can I can't do, yeah, I don't want to do, like instead of we should speak I can try this work, I can try.
Yes. True.
Like we should not deny we should not deny that this for this work only we can choose another way, like at least I can try this work for this work. So this type of things
Yeah.
we should follow, so we can.
Yeah. True. Yeah. Totally agree with you because positive thinking help us to stay motivated and confident.
Yeah,
And
we will be
if
confident also
if
if we have
yeah,
positive
if
mindset.
yeah, then instead of giving up, we keep looking for solutions because when our mindset in a positive manner, then things works for us, and all things looks like easy, and we are able to handle the situation as per ourselves.
Yeah, you are saying correct.
Yeah.
It's something
Yeah,
that
like yeah, when okay, so like if like we have started our journey like learning English because first we have a positive mind, then we have entered in this world, and then we are getting same kind of people, they also in this journey, and we are helping each other to keep moving forward. So yeah, positive mindset is show the right way to us.
yeah, we can take right.
Sometimes it would be, yeah, sometimes it would be difficult, but we also do mistakes, but I think we have the power to face that problem.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, so I
Yeah,
think positive thinking
fine.
is must.
Mm. Like with the positive mind, we can find solution. So in positive
Easily.
mindset, yeah, easily we can find solution. Sometimes it's happen with
True.
us. Suppose if we fight to another person, so that time we started to thinking a lot, overthinking it comes. But like that time
Yeah.
in a positive mind, we should have positive mind. We should think in a positive manner. But like our mind don't want to stop. It's every time they it will think why she
Why? Yeah.
she says to like this and this type of thing. It comes our mind. But we it is
Yeah,
a human being nature. We can't remove this type of thing.
we can't stop.
Mm. So
Hmm.
we should do go for meditation, exercise, yoga. Then we can reduce this type of thing. We can overcome this type.
Yeah, true. Yeah, true. Okay, so next question is also related to positive thinking. So tell me, how do you stay positive when things don't go your way?
Don't go wrong way.
Your way,
You were
your way, your way. Yes,
how can I live positive? Uh,
yes, yeah, in negative situation.
in negative situation, ma'am, as much as we should try to ignore. Like someone is saying to us, we should ignore and we should not argue that time. We should keep quiet. There is no need to speak there at that time because suppose
Yeah,
someone is saying to us, so if we will speak, so arguing it will be increased, and something we will speak, something they will speak to us. So after then, like our words remember to every time. So at that time we should keep quiet. We should not speak and we should ignore. Like some, like we should create a positive environment. We should live with the positive person. So like sometimes like it's happened with me. So I try to do dance because I like to do this to do this thing. And another thing, I like to listen music. I would like to spend with my family members. So I share my, like suppose something it is going on my mind. So I try to share with my like mother-in-law, my sister-in-laws. So I try to share with them, and they will tell me in a positive manner. So like I can do this type of thing. So if we are sharing our thoughts with the family members, so automatically like our overthinking it will be decreased. We will not think again because they are our family member. This will support to us. Definitely they will find out to good way. So
Yes,
we
true.
can do this type of thing and we can handle this thing.
Yeah, agree with you. But I want to add one more point here. Yeah, we actually, if we face any kind of failure in our life, so I think it's a part of our our journey.
Yeah,
It's a
this is
part of
part
our
of our
learning.
life. Yeah,
Yes, yeah. But when we handle it with our positive mind, so then it would be very easy to handle, and we we are able to tackle the problem accordingly. And I think one bad day cannot decide my future. If something happened to me, then I need to think, I need to figure out what is the problem, and where I did mistake, or what happened, why he said to me like this, and what I made mistake. So then I'll think that, and I'll work on that, and then yeah, keep forward, keep move forward. Then I think it would be helpful to stay in positive manner, and handle to our failures in a positive way.
yeah, you are saying correct. But all these are emotions in our body. So we will definitely we will cry, we will laugh, everything like our we will do overthinking also. We can't remove this type of thing because it is our emotions. Everything it will be happen with us. But how we can handle those things, how we can overcome from this type of things. So it will think.
Yeah, it's matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's matter.
And it's
Yes.
most sometimes nowadays we are listening like some of the students they are preparing of the different type of exams. They are preparing like a 2 year 3 year 4 year. After then they are not selected, they are not get select. So they started going, they like they choose this type of path, they go for suicide. But is this the wrong way? Like like our life we can't depend only one way. Like if
Yes.
you studied a lot, so another path it will be open automatically. So we like this type of step they should not take. It is not good thing. Because they are taking
Yeah,
this
it's
type
not.
of step. Their parents they are feeling bad feeling. Yeah, like we can say their life is end up if the students take
Yeah,
this type of step. So they
yeah,
should think
because of
about
them.
our parents. They should not take this type of step.
Yeah, because it's a very big thing if someone is doing suicide kind of things, and
They listen.
and it is very difficult to handle by family. They unable to accept this kind of things because they don't believe, they can't believe it is happened already. But okay, if you are facing this kind of problem, you should think, you should talk. And nowadays we are in this world means nowadays means in this AI world. We are living in AI world, and there are many things to do. If you are failed in some field, then choose another one.
Automatically
Because from
have a skill
yeah,
knowledge.
because from if you have studied for 3 to 4 years for your exam, then okay, no worries. If you are not selected, then you have the experiences, so use that.
Experience.
And yes, and take it positive way. So I think suicide can be reduced because of this. Okay, so do you have any question?
No, I didn't think about this anything. I was thinking I should go for casual conversation.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, so like you can tell anything like your future goal. What What did you decide?
Okay, if I talk my short-term goals, so I'm working on myself. So it is my communication skills and English fluency. So I'm working on it consistently without missing a single day. And uh, I also taken a class for 1 month. If you know Miss Rajni Verma,
Oh, you are taking class, ma'am. Okay.
I taken
Okay.
for 1 month. Yeah, I taken for 1 month. But you know, it's not a 1 month journey. You have to
Yeah.
consistent with your actions. Yeah, but yeah, from that I got the idea, and I I means I got the clarity from there. After that, I'm able to continue my this journey. Yeah, so it's really helpful, and thank you, Rajni ma'am, if you're watching my video.
And sometimes it's happen, like we don't have any idea how we can study, how we can improve our communication skill, and if we have any mentor, so we can get idea from there. So it is like everything. It would be helpful for us if we are if
Yes,
we are hiring any mentor. So they will guide to us. They can guide to us how we can study. Everything it's depend on us. Like we have to study, we have to make a consistency. Like teacher, what can do?
yeah, it's
Teacher,
truly agree because okay, go ahead.
you only teacher can guide to us. Only everything
Yeah,
you have to us. We have to.
yeah, I was telling before I also tried many time to learn English. Actually, I'm practicing for long years, but I am unable to get that fluency that I want.
Mhm.
But yeah, when I connected with her, then yeah, it's really helpful for me, and I got the clarity, and things become very easy to me, and now I'm very clear what I need to do.
Yeah, you are speaking good. Your way of speaking is good. At least we are able to share our thoughts. So it is the good for us.
Yeah, true. Yeah, and we are improving day by day, and yeah, as we are working on self, though.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, like sometimes we are meeting to someone, they are speaking English. So that time, like I think we will not feel embarrassed ourselves because at least we can share our thoughts, we can talk, we can try also. But like if we are quiet, we are thinking, no, 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 I can't able to, I'm not able to speak. So at least better then, like at least
yeah,
we can share our thoughts. So it would be better for us. Okay, ma'am.
yeah, yeah. Because as we are improving our English, we are also improving our confidence.
Yeah, confidence it will come. Like age much as
Yes.
we speak, confidence it will be increased. Definitely.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
initially days, like I was not able to speak properly.
I also feel that.
So when like I used to make
Okay.
mistake, I used to make a mistake a lot. So but that time I don't know I had confidence. With the confidence I used to speak wrong sentences. But it's but like it but gradually we can.
Yeah, we should try.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, if we are not making mistakes, then how can we know we are doing mistake or not?
Mhm.
Because for watching ourselves, we need to take a step, first
Yeah,
step.
it is the part of
Then we are able to see where we stand and what step need to be taken.
yeah, if we are making mistakes, so we can say we are improving. Otherwise, we can't say like we are improving.
Yeah, it's a totally agree because it's a as a human we learn throughout the life, and it is not about English. It is anything in your life. What journey you are pursuing. So yeah, but sometimes we feel very demotivated and stressed. But I think so. We have to.
So, what do
Uh,
you do when you are feeling demotivate yourself?
okay, first, I think I think that thought is coming in my mind, and I observe that actually what this thought wants to say to me. So after observation, then I got the idea why it is coming and hitting again and again in my mind. So then I able to see the things positively. If there is a negative thought. So yeah, so I think before talking to someone, you need to talk first yourself. If you, because we know all about us.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so I just talk to myself and to my God कि why, okay, if I'm not getting any answer from my end, then I ask him, please guide me and please show me the right way, what I need to do, and what you want to convey to me. Please tell me your message. So yeah, if not at the same time I got the answer, but within the time I got the answer within hours and 1 day or 2 day. Yeah, so but I believe in my God, so he will always help me. So yeah, I handle negative situation like this.
But ma'am,
And
like,
what about you?
yeah, according to my perspective, like if we are facing like if we are feeling demotivate ourselves, yeah, overthinking, we are we are going this type of thing. So that time we should not live alone, because if we sit alone, we will do overthink alone. So we should spend time with everyone. Like if you want your like mother, father, sister, brother, like so you should spend time with them. You should live with them. You should talk with them, so that we started forgetting this thing, and we will feel free of ourselves. And if as much as we should try to talk with like any person it is near to us, so we should talk to them, we should talk to him or her, so that we can remove this type of thing. Otherwise, like every time we will think to take this thing, why it is happened, so lots of thinking it will do. So we should spend time with our like anyone, so that person it is near to us.
Okay, I agree with you. It is a different perspective, but here I want to say, actually, what I'm feeling now, no one can understand. I feel that it is, whether it is my mother, my friend, my husband, anyone.
Yeah, if
Yeah, so that's why I think if you are feeling some kind of different feeling, you are feeling stressed, demotivated, so then just sit with yourself. So you got the idea what you want exactly and how to overcome this problem. So I think so. I also respect your opinion. It's also a, tarika. I'm not getting the word. Yeah, this is also the way to get rid of this problem. But I think if you're working on yourself now, then you know how to handle this situation. So I think one time you should try this also. Ask
yeah,
yourself. I
ma'am,
think your
I choose.
inner voice also give you answer.
Yeah, ma'am, sometimes like I didn't face this type of situation till now, but sometimes like something is happening with me in my parental house, then I will try to solve out with my sister. I will not tell
Okay.
another person related to my in-laws. And something is happening in my in-laws house, so
Okay.
I will not tell my parental house anything. So I will try to solve out with my sister-in-laws, my husband, my mother-in-laws. I will try to solve out with them. I will not tell anything my parental house. So this
Yeah.
rule I am following. So what
Okay.
is
Okay. Okay.
happening
Yeah,
in my
it's good.
family, I want to solve from them.
Yeah, because when we are frustrated now, we just need to talk to our friends or sisters like that. Yeah, I also talk with them, but it's a different kind of means when we are just doing kind of gossiping and so yeah, it's happened to me, and yeah, it's also your way. So yeah, it's good.
Okay, so ma'am, we
So
okay. So if you have any questions, so like you can ask me. Otherwise, we should rewind up this session, because I think time has gone. I don't know,
oh my God, it's time fly.
7:30. So we should not make lengthy.
Yeah, yeah, no worries, no worries. We have talked a lot, and it was a very nice conversation. I really
Like
enjoyed talking to you.
everything, it was nice. So I can say it is a
Yes.
nice conversation. Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am. Nice to talk to you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.